How to make your Android device vibrate when call is answered. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to see how you can easily make your phone vibrate when your call is answered. It's quite easy, so let's just get right into it. Now, this totally depends on which model of device you have or which version of Android you have. So I'm currently using a Samsung device, but your phone might be a bit different, but the general idea is the same. Go over to your phone's dialer. Then you need to access your settings by tapping on the three dots. Go over to settings. Now on your settings, you can directly go to call alerts and ringtone. You can find something similar to this if you don't have this exact settings. And once you're over here, you can find the option vibrate when answered. You just need to make sure this is turned on. You can also make it vibrate when the call ends. If you turn it on, every time you end a call, your phone will vibrate. And the same thing is for when you answered as well. That is pretty much it, guys. It's as easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.